Where are you taking us?
Taking you to a guy that is a genius. He invents showcases. A showcase is something very stupid because it's passive normally. The showcase protects the watch with a window or with glass, and it enables people to look at it without being capable to steal it. So it's a little prison. It's a transparent prison. And he transformed the showcase from a transparent prison to an open space. And you still cannot steal it, which is just magic.